I have been traveling to Africa for 10 years. This is for the first time I saw. He is my guide, Simat Kaigil. Simat, just tell me how many times you have seen this particular incident, because you have been guiding since how many years now?
I think 11 years.
11 years.
Yeah.
And almost you come for at least 200 days in a year in the park.
Yeah.
Okay, so how many times you have seen?
4 days.
4 times.
4 times. First time, only saw the lioness with the remove and the one leg and the boomba.
So the interesting thing was, she went inside, and just you imagine that particular power of the lion as well as the Warthog. The leg was pulled out and it ruptured from the body.